This is Chillaxplus 519 series sewing machine. It has 12 built-in stitches. What you get in the box is the sewing machine, one instruction manual, one foot pedal, one DC adapter, twin thread bobbin winder, twin sewing needle, Pico presser foot, additional needle, 2 spools of thread and 2 bobbins. Yes, and you also get one needle threader. We will see the different parts identification and the usage of the machine in this video. This is the pattern selector knob. You can rotate it and select any one of the 12 patterns. This is the reverse function button which helps you to do reverse stitching. Press it down to do reverse stitching at any point of time. This is the on-off and the speed controller. Off, the machine remains off. L is low speed, H is high speed. While changing your pattern selector from any number to any number, always keep in mind that the needle should be above. It should not be below. So first raise the needle, after that change the pattern selector. Can be rotated from 1 to 12 or 12 to 1. Don't try to rotate it from 1 to directly 12 position. It will not go. So I mean, if you want to change it from 11 to 10, you can do, or 10 to 11, that also you can do. But when you are in one position and say you want to shift to 11, you have to rotate it clockwise and bring it to 11. This is the hand wheel. Always use this hand wheel before starting to stitch or setting any fabric before stitching. The 2 sockets at the reverse. One is to fix the foot pedal and the other is to fit the DC adapter. You have an LED light button over here. You can press to switch on the light. There is an auto thread cutter over here. Every time you can cut the thread once you need to remove the thread. There is a scale of up to 15 centimeter in front. Anytime you can measure your cloth to cut it. To replace the presser foot, lift this lever. The previous presser foot will come out and you can then fix the Pico presser foot or any such presser foots you have. There is a small drawer over here where you can put all your extra accessories. Now we will see how to thread a bobbin. Take the thread, pass it through correctly around as per the image shown over here. Rotate it around the bobbin for 5-6 times so that it does not come out. Fix the bobbin properly on the bobbin holder. Pull it back. Now start the machine. So your bobbin winding has started. You can fill up the bobbin with the thread or take little bit of thread as per your need or requirement. Now we will see how to thread the sewing machine. Take the thread, rotate it correctly from the reverse as per the image shown here. Take it down. See the image. It's a step 2. Take it up. Pass it through the hole of the lever. Take it down. Take the needle threader, put it inside so that you can pull out the thread very easily. Pass on the thread through the needle threader and pull it. How to place the bobbin inside the bobbin holder? Put the bobbin inside. Take the thread towards backward. Try to keep around 4 inches of thread extra. Then fix the bobbin holder. If you want to remove the bobbin at any point of time, remove the plate, take out the bobbin and take it out. At any point of time during search work, always keep in mind that the machine is in switched off condition. This is the thread tension adjustment knob. It has got up to 9. You will see that the number 5, 4 and 3 are with a box. Your normal major swing happens at 4 only. Other than that, if you want to adjust the tension, please do so. To replace the needle, rotate anti-clockwise and the needle will come out. Take any other needle of your choice. Fix it and rotate it clockwise. Now we'll see the different stitch patterns this machine can sew. We have kept the speed pattern selector to 1. You have to rotate the hand wheel every time you start sewing. This is a very basic process. This is your stitch pattern number 1. This is your stitch pattern number 2. I would like to repeat and always regularly remind you, whenever you start stitching, always use the hand wheel first, rotate it once or twice before starting to stitch. This is your stitch pattern number 3. This is your stitch pattern number 4. This is your stitch pattern number 5. This is your stitch pattern number 6. This is stitch number 7. This is your stitch pattern number 9. The number 8 stitch pattern is to be used for buttonhole sewing. This is your stitch pattern number 10. This is your stitch pattern number 11. This is your stitch pattern number 12. Once again, I remind you, every time you start sewing, always rotate the hand wheel first before you start the machine. This sewing machine comes with a feature of double thread and twin needle stitching. To use the double thread function, first remove the single thread bobbin or the spool. Remove the spool holder. Now take the twin spool holder and fix it like this. Now fix the 2 thread spools which you want to use. So now twin thread spools are ready. Now we'll affix the twin needles. Now we'll fix this twin needle and replace it with the single needle. First remove the needle which is there in the machine. And affix the twin needle accessory and tighten it perfectly. Now your twin needle is ready. Fixing the twin needle, now we have to do the threading. So you take the inside spool thread and fix it through this point, and it should be from the bottom of this round area. Go down, follow similar steps like you do for single thread through the hole of the lever. There are two holes over here to pass the thread. So the spool which you have started, which is there on the inner side, that thread should go in the hole over here on the outer side. Now take the needle threader on the outer needle, right needle, now with the second thread, that is the spool on the left or the outer side, it goes through this area and fix it from the middle area. Please observe these steps very carefully, or else the sewing will not happen properly. Once again, follow similar steps through this two, then through the hole, this time the thread will go on the left hole and on the left needle. As far as the bottom bobbin, even in twin thread, there is only one. You don't need two bottom threads. One bottom bobbin will take care of both the threads while sewing. Fix the thread. This twin needle threading is only applicable for stitch numbers 1 to 4. So don't try the twin needle threading with other stitch patterns. For reference, we have kept it on pattern number 3. Now rotate the hand wheel, which you should do it every time, then start the machine. You see, you get perfect twin threading. This can be used for several kinds of sewing requirements, and this Chillaxplus is providing to you in this machine. Now we shall do the Pico stitch. Take this Pico presser foot and replace it with the standard presser foot which is already fixed in the machine. So we have set the cloth, we will start the Pico stitching. First rotate the hand wheel. We have taken the speed at, we have taken the pattern selector at number 10. Rotate the hand wheel and switch on the machine. With help of the Pico presser foot, you can now easily do Pico stitching. So now you can see how neat Pico stitches you have got. This is Chillaxplus 519 series sewing machine.